see, quality, quantity, you have to work it along, right?
I just have one more question. I'm sorry to take this. Since you guys are expert on this matter, I being keenly interested in new technology, new tools to enhance performance of, and I still am yet to find a pocket-friendly tool which.
When you work with an influencer, you can ask them to create a reel in collaboration with the hotel brand, right? So once they make the reel in collaboration with the hotel brand, the insights are accessible to the creator as well as the brand. So you can always see like what was the age group that engaged more on that reel, what was the location from where you got more comments, and how did it perform in first 3 minutes or after that. So you will have access to those insights together with the creator, and that is why I think this collab feature is helping both the creators as well as the brands.
Not recommend that you spend a lot of money on those such softwares, but yes, bigger brands like Marriott, Taj, they have sophisticated tools. I work for such a company, so I'm not disclosing the name because I'm not here on behalf of the company, but there are many tools which actually help you monitor social media engagement. Like let's say a brand like Coca-Cola, right? If they have to, or even Marriott for that matter, if they have to identify guest experience, if they have to identify, they launch some new brand. I'm giving Coca-Cola example because it's very easy to understand. They launch a new flavor in the market. They want to see, okay, how is it performing? Other channels. There's a lot of sophistication in AI and technology which is happening right now, and companies are benefiting from that.
But
Coming
coming to your question, what she's telling is talking about the big brands and big this thing, when they want to calculate. For normal people, like collaboration, if you're putting it in the collaboration with whoever you are inviting there, you'll come to know, because the insight it's visible to you also, it is visible to the influencer also, right? So the brand can see. That is why all the brands, even the big brands, they are coming. I mean, they have a brand ambassadors of a film star, Kareena Kapoor and all that stuff, but still they want mediocre like us to higher reach to ho gaya, normal bhi chahiye, niche ka bhi chahiye. So basically you have to work in all the tiles together for getting a better result.
There's a solution for all budget types.
Yes,
and
all budgets and everything.
Like somebody can hire a celebrity influencer, they can hire a celebrity influencer, or if you don't have budget, you'll hire 10 mid-level influencers too. But then, like he said, that it's difficult to measure, and then you need software solution for that. So if you can't buy that solution for yourself, maybe you can work with a software agency. They would have those tools.
Kumbhalgarh and Joy. Now these are all 3 different places in Rajasthan, which are 50-60 kilometers away, and the feeder audience to these are from Gujarat. So now if I would come to you as a consultant and say, I want to create this new circuit and promote this new circuit for the benefit of our hotel. So what would be one advice? To do this to promote a circuit rather than just, of course, all these places have properties, but all these property places also have various like leopard safari.
See, basically
For that you have examples in India, Kerala tourism, and in abroad, Sabah tourism. So Sabah is a place where they have beaches, mountains, jungles within half an hour of Kota Kinabalu, that is the capital of Sabah. So they invited like 50 influencers from India. They divided them into a group of 5 each, right? So 5 people went for jungle camping, 5 people went for scuba diving, 5 people went for trekking, right? So, and then they are creating content all together. So then, it gives an impression that Kota Kinabalu is so strategically placed. Within half an hour you are at beaches, within half an hour you are trekking, and within half an hour you can do jungle camping, and then there are shopping malls too.
Everyone, for a wonderful session. Thank you so much.
I'm Dr. Khushbu Gupta. I work for a software company, and I'm also an Instagram blogger, and my page is It's Me Khushbu, ITSMEKHUSHBU. I'm here at Hotels and Homestays Summit, and I'm delighted to be part of this. It was great to be a panel speaker talking about influencer marketing and the future of it. it's good to know a lot of companies are coming up with a lot of homestays, and it's all about experiences at the end of the day. So yes, I'm here experiencing the world of experiences, and keep watching it.
सो मेरा नाम है भरत और मैं एक ट्रैवल इन्फ्लुएंसर हूँ बेसिकली, और डिजिटल मार्केटर भी साथ साथ। तो मुझे बेसिकली ट्रैवलिंग करने का काफ़ी शौक़ है, और डिजिटल संपर्क ने बेसिकली मुझे इनवाइट करके बहुत अच्छा किया। मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया क्योंकि ये मेरा फर्स्ट इवेंट था, और थोड़ा सा नर्वस भी था मैं, लेकिन ओवरऑल अच्छा गया। तो मैं काफ़ी खुश हूँ, और अब निकल रहा हूँ मैं अपने नेक्स्ट एडवेंचर के लिए, जो कि महाराष्ट्र है, और वहाँ के वाइल्ड वाटरफॉल्स देखने के लिए जा रहा हूँ।
Hi, good evening. My name is Sandeep Bhatia, and I run a platform called Delhi Fundus, which is about food, travel, art, and culture. We promote restaurants, hotels, hospitality brands, homestays, even destination tourism. Like we work with state tourism boards to promote the destinations too. And we say fun is our middle name, so we take fun in talking about these things. We get fun in telling our stories about these verticals. So and this invite from Digital Sampark was actually a very enlightening session for us too. So we could actually relive our journey of 16 years of running Delhi Fundus. We could share this journey with other people, and we hope that could be helpful for a lot of budding influencers, as well as it gives insight to hospitality brands into how to work better with influencers and digital content creators.
Hi, I'm Ashna Dhol. I'm a celebrity influencer and blogger, and I'm a travel blogger. I'm a hospitality blogger. So I'm into high lifestyle, and I have come here, Digital Sampark, as a speaker about the hospitality and homestaycation, and what is their help in as influencers. We can bring the USP to the all the staycation and hospitality business. So it was such a great experience. It's a beautiful platform, and I love the way we all panelists discuss and talk about it. It was such a great experience talking and sitting and sharing the platform with great influencers along with me, and meeting all the hospitality people and all the travel people. So we had a great time and great questionnaire, and I think such kind of events keep on happening, so that they keep on encouraging us and giving us a platform where we can talk about things and discuss the things and the myths and the confusion which people have, and the hospitality people, they won't be able to connect with the influencers, so we discussed that too. So it was a great experience.
And let's clap together once again. Thank you so much, everyone, for such an amazing session on the future of dining.
Warm welcome to all of you. I am Chef Divis from Eros Hotel Nehru Place. It was wonderful coming here and interacting with one of the biggest show which has happened over here in the MSME segment. And thanks for all the senior journalists, all the senior professionals coming from various professions and industries, and coming on a common platform wherein everybody was sharing their opinions about what is next to happen. It was a very knowledge enlightening.
I am Sir Gautam Kumar, so I am into freelance for last 1 year, basically into consulting and catering. And before that, I worked with the hotels for good 25 years. So I came for this event. The event has been organized in a very good way. Since morning, I've listened to the speaker. It was great, enlightening, and a lot of learning for me. And the panel discussion which I participated, it was with the great chefs. Chef Divos was there, Chef Sarjit was there, Mr. Vikram was there. So altogether, it was a great experience. And thank you, Digital Sampark, for having me.
Hi, good evening. I'm Chef Sarjit from Delhi. It's almost 49 years of serving in this industry. I'm feeling proud chef of the Radisson Marina Knot place. Today I got a chance to talk to the people, and thanks to the media support who gave me a chance to come over here and had a session on the digital menus and lots of the things about today's culinary world. We speak about culinary innovation, fine dining, and so many more things. But it was lovely, wonderful experience to come over here, attend the session. Thanks to Media Sampark once again. And definitely I will be in touch with you. and doing my job very well. Whenever you find myself, I will be
I'm
available.
the owner of Curated Catering by Design. It's a catering company, it's a premium catering company, and it's been a great experience coming over here and meeting such a professional people over here. I had a great chance to interact and express whatever experience I have with the people here. So I enjoy it a lot. I would like to be associated with Digital Sampark for such kind of innovative events.
Hi, my name is Archit Singhal. I'm the president of India Bartenders Guild, and I run multiple IPs and F&B brands across India. And my expectation was very good. I get to meet a lot of hotel owners, F&B industry. It was a great networking session, and the topic which was brought to the point at the stage was very relevant. And thank you for having us here and showcasing our thoughts.
पहले तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद डिजिटल संपर्क MSME संपर्क for organizing this event for hospitality. ये सेक्टर जितना मुश्किल है चलाना, क्योंकि यू आर डीलिंग विद पीपल डिफरेंट टेस्ट डिफरेंट एस्पिरेशंस, तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ बहुत ही ज़्यादा ल्यूक्रेटिव भी है.
माय नेम इज सुरेश पंचरमानी. मैं को फाउंडर तजुर्बा सीरियल एंटरप्रेन्योर, 45 साल का तजुर्बा, और हमारी कंपनी का खुद का IPO 1995 में आया था. 300 टाइम ओवर सब्सक्राइब हुआ था, राष्ट्रपति से अवार्ड मिला था, और अभी मैं कम से कम 1 लाख से ज़्यादा MSME इंडिया के कोच कर चुका हूँ. 300 लोग डायरेक्टली मेरे अंडर अभी मेंटरिंग ले रहे हैं जो SME IPO की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, और वो मेरा एक बड़ा स्पेशलाइजेशन है, बड़ा गोल है. 500 SME IPO तजुर्बा के थ्रू आने चाहिए, तो 300 लोग ऑलरेडी मेंटरिंग ले रहे हैं. तो एक बहुत बड़े विजन के साथ हम चले हैं, और यहाँ पर आज मैं MSME संपर्क और डिजिटल संपर्क ने जो हॉस्पिटैलिटी के लिए ये इवेंट किया है, बहुत ही अच्छा प्रयास है कि एक जगह इंडिया की फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग डबल डिजिट ग्रोथ पे जा रही है ये इंडस्ट्री, उनको यहाँ पर वो एक जगह इकट्ठा किया है, और बहुत अच्छी इनको वैल्यूएशन मिल रही हैं. तो थोड़ा सा मैंने इनके साथ नॉलेज और अपना तजुर्बा शेयर किया कि आप लोगों को लिस्टिंग करनी चाहिए SME एक्सचेंज में, क्योंकि IPO के बाद हॉस्पिटैलिटी कंपनीज को कोई 70 टाइम नेट प्रॉफिट का वैल्यूएशन मिल रहा है. तो दैट मीन्स स्टॉक मार्केट इनकी बहुत इज्जत कर रही है, इनको बड़ी हाई वैल्यूएशन दे रही है. तो इसका फायदा उठा के जितना बूम है, कोई 10 टाइम मतलब 10% ऑफ ग्लोबल GDP का हिस्सा है हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री का. और यहाँ पर इंडिया में तकरीबन समझ लीजिए कि ग्लोबली अगर बात करें तो 280 बिलियन रहा हिस्सा इनका रेवेन्यू में दुनिया के, और अभी 582 होने वाला अगले 5 साल के अंदर. तो इतनी तेजी से ये इंडस्ट्री बढ़ रही है. तो एक बहुत ही सनशाइन सेक्टर है. उतना ही मुश्किल भी है करना, लेकिन जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ रही है, AI बढ़ रहा है, तो काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें और इकोसिस्टम अच्छा सा हो गया, तो एक अच्छी ग्रोथ हम देख रहे हैं. और ये पूरा ऐसा इवेंट करना अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा प्रयास है डिजिटल संपर्क का. मैं इनको बधाई देना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने इस इंडस्ट्री को एक जगह इकट्ठा करके और ये प्रयास किया कि इन लोगों की एक्सपोनेंशियल ग्रोथ हो, वैल्यूएशंस हो, और बहुत सारी जॉब क्रिएशंस हो, और बहुत सारी वेल्थ क्रिएशन हो देश के लिए, और भारत एक 3 ट्रिलियन का 5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी बन पाए.
I am Sri Alok Mishra, founder and promoter of Vanaprastha Resorts. It is situated in Uttarakhand, Himalayas, near the holy cave of Mahakal Babaji. I got this award in the most sustainable hotel resort category, and this is a blessed occasion to have received this award in this New Delhi, and we are truly blessed to have this honor.
Hi, I'm Adit Kapoor from Phil Hospitality. First of all, I want to thank Digital Sampark for this great recognition to us, and the feeling is like really good, amazing, proud moment for me. Just want to give you a small update that we're coming up with a new product by the name of Isfara Naturals, which we'll be launching in August 3rd at IHA exhibition. I want you all to be there and be a part of it.
And I'm the owner of Veer Delicious, the family restaurant. So firstly, I would like to thank Digital Sampark for felicitating me with this award. So it's a very happy moment for me, and I would like to thank my mother for the support. And this is just a big.
Hi, this is Simran. मैं Zeal event से हूँ.
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा है यहाँ पर और मुझे अवार्ड भी मिला और हमेशा से मेरा एक्सपीरियंस इनके साथ बहुत ही अच्छा रहा है। मैं पहले भी बहुत इवेंट्स कर चुकी हूँ इनके साथ और ये बेस्ट था।
Thank you, Digital Sampark. We've been awarded excellence in boutique hospitality, and I think all of this just goes to my team, their hard work, their dedication. I don't think this would have been possible without my team's efforts and dedication. So this goes out to the Manor House team. Thank you, everybody. And this is Karan Singh Sachdev from the Manor House.
This is Amit Sood from Coin Stays, and I'm very thankful to Digital Sampark for awarding us. And this is a beginning. I'm sure there's a long way to go, and we promote sustainable living in villages and sustainable tourism. So everyone should consciously work on that so that our generations to come should also get to enjoy the environment.
My name is Munish. I'm the co-founder at Alcor Gateways, and we are helping standalone hoteliers to launch their product in their market and be successful and earn a lot of growth and success in the future. And in the world of this competition and digital era, we are creating beautiful strategies for them. May it be revenue strategies or may it be digital strategies. We're creating beautiful strategies for them, and how they can apply them, we're teaching them, and we're helping them to implement those strategies and make a successful product from the beautiful investment or the beautiful time they've spent to create that property. So I thank you all for giving me this award, and looking forward to see you soon.
Myself, Dr. Sunil Verma, National Vice Chairman, MSME Promotion Council of India. और आज का जो प्रोग्राम था उसके अंदर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हमारा जो टारगेट है MSMEs को कनेक्टिविटी करके MSMEs के अंदर रेवोल्यूशन ला के आना। जैसे प्रधानमंत्री जी चाह रहे हैं MSMEs पे मैक्सिमम बजट उन्होंने प्रोड्यूस किया है और उनका सपना है कि आत्मनिर्भर भारत पे ज़्यादा उनका फोकस है। और आत्मनिर्भर जब ही हो सकता है जब MSMEs सारे प्रमोशन करते हुए और MSMEs डेवलप होंगे तो हर छोटे से छोटा लघु उद्योग, मध्यम और मीडियम उद्योग जब आपस में कोलैबोरेशन करते हुए लघु उद्योगों को इम्पोर्टेंस देगा तो उससे ही क्या है कि जो भारत आत्मनिर्भर बनेगा। और जब भारत के अंदर प्रधानमंत्री जी ने सपना दिखाया है 2047 में डेवलप कंट्री का, तो वो सपना हमारा जब ही पूरा हो सकता है। तो MSMEs की सपोर्ट से वो सपना हमारा कोशिश है कि 2037 में हम उसको पूरा करके दिखाएं।
मेरा नाम विजय मलिक है और मैं जिम कॉर्बेट से आया हूँ। वी हैव अ होम स्टे ओवर देयर एंड द एक्सपीरियंस इज फैंटास्टिक बिकॉज Digital Sampark has given us a platform where we can be presented in the market, and the organization was fantastic, well organized, and like hoteliers like us, it is a privilege. मेरा नाम है यश बजाज और मैं इंदौर से हूँ। मेरी फर्म का नाम है अजय यश ग्रोथ सॉल्यूशंस और हम लोग कंसल्टेंट्स हैं होटल्स, रिजॉर्ट्स, ओल्ड एज होम्स, अलग अलग तरह के प्रोडक्ट्स के। सो बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है डिजिटल संपर्क ने हम सबको यहाँ पर आज जोड़ा है, सारे MSMEs और SMEs को, और इट्स a platform where we can work and leverage each other's potential to the full potential.
YB Baghel, Assistant Director from Ministry of MSME. The Government of India Ministry of MSME focusing the development of all the sector of industries like today's hotel events, other engineering, import, export, agriculture and other segment of industry. We are supporting to the platforms for developing the MSME in all kind of segment. I hope the platform should take the advantage of all the schemes of MSME and other ministries of MSME.
ताज़ा तरीन खबरों के लिए हमें सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारे बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।